very important in terms of your mid-sem. So most of the questions they will frame with the help of feature selection and neural networks. So now see, when we studies machine learning AI, these paper are research. That means the innovative papers. Okay, whatever you want to do in an imaginary, that means we can do a fantasy world. So we let's try with the help of these two paper like AI, machine learning, deep learning, or you can say that ANN, RNN, all the things. Okay. So now, so there is no limitation of questions. Okay. Now see, suppose I am telling you one theory about the linear regression. Suppose I can dealing with the KNN. Okay. So they will frame the question like what is the importance of KNN and why we can use and how to select the data set ki by KNN we can apply the KNN. So the question variety is more than more in a paper of AI and machine learning. So be careful when we try to answer. Now see, when we study this topic, so try to frame the questions in your mind. So that will be help your semester. That means mid semester in the end semester also. So this way we have to follow the pattern. Okay. So don't stick about whatever I'm telling in the classroom. That is enough. No, more than enough. That is possible. We can search more and more sites where we can get notes, all of the things we can gather and make increase your knowledge and increase your enhancement level also. Okay. So these things are very important. Okay. So now, so today we are going to discuss about the neural networks. Okay. Now, today topic is neural network. Okay, so neural networks. So what is the meaning of neural networks? So someone told you neurals, that means we are talking about your mind. The simply understand we are talking about your mind. So how your brain, that means what is the mind? That means we can say that the brain. So best word is called the brain. So here in the brain, that means we're talking about the mapping. Okay, so these terms we have to correlate. Now, when you're talking about the neural networks, that means you're talking about the brain. I'm talking about the mapping. Okay, that means we sense the physical environment, and on the based upon the current situation, we have to take the decision. Now, here again, AI is available. That means knowledge based agent. Now, if you're talking about neural networks, that means work like a knowledge base agent. So that is a simple. So we have to try the correlate the things, and this will be help to write an answer in a mid sem or in the end sem. So this way you have to write. So because suppose you don't know the answer, so on the basis of correlations, we have to add all the things. Okay, and your point is that suppose you don't know the any answer of the questions, then try to write a similar answer for that questions. Okay, that's why I can put the marks. Don't write directly irrelevant things. Nearby, you have to write all the answer to get a mark. Okay. Now see, so first questions arise: what is neural networks and how it will work? So we can simply define that. So neural networks is work like like our brain. We have to sense the environment, and the basis of we have to act the action. So here for neural networks, we have to operate with the form of neurons. We have the biological neurons for the operations. We have to use the different types of algorithm. We can use the different types of activation function for acting all the things. Now, so we can use the in a daily life, what we can use? Google. Okay, we can use Google. If you are using the iPad or Apple, then you can use a Siri. Okay, you can use a Siri, and or you can use the Amazon Wave. These all are work on the neural networks. Okay, so neural networks. So based upon your search, based upon your interest area, so it gives the output. Okay, suppose now you can search here. That means here we can talking about unstructured data. Unstructured data. So that is simple. That means no label. No label. That means here only input is available, output is not available. Here output is not available. So these things we have to correlate. Okay. for studying the neural networks. So then after that, you can understand ANN, then you can understand RNN, okay? But in your syllabus, we have to only study about the neural networks, not RNN and ANN. Okay, so these things. Okay, so now, so these were the example, and best example is a Tesla self-driven car. So we can write a self-driven car. Also, that is the best example. Self-driving car. So that is the best example of neural networks. We apply, we perceive. This is that one, this one, that one. You can go. And now, nowadays, a very famous game that is called PUBG. 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 Okay. So these are the based upon the neural networks. For the game, suppose you can develop a game, so it neural networks is work as a background. Okay, so not work as a background. So what is the neural networks? How it work? So in the form of map. भैया आपको मैप दिखता है ना, मैप. सो वी कैन परसेप्ट द इनमी. सो आपको क्या होता है कि आपके गेम में आप खेलोगे तो आपको मैप दिखता है. तो यहाँ पे आपका जो भी रेंज होता है, तो यहाँ पे एनिमीज में बी पॉसिबिलिटी. So on the basis of you can take a decision where I have to move. Suppose you are playing the battleship, okay, battleship, or you can claim the World War game. Second, these all are based upon, and we can say that the battleship, battle tank also. So these are the battle tank. These are the famous game in the game history. So we have to kill him. Okay. So we can see these all are based upon the neural networks. Okay. So basically, neural network is a combination of software and hardware. Okay. So that is work on the most of the combination of software and hardware. This is the combo of, you can say that this is the software. This is the software plus hardware. Okay. So now here we can use the sensor, we can use the IoT devices to perceive, to receive the signal, to transmit the signal. These are things. Okay. So that wise we can call that the neural network is a combination of software and hardware. Okay. So this is a very important, and so we have to design. So now this is the networks. So networks. So what is the meaning of networks? So anyone know what is the meaning of networks? So at least you have to answer this one. What is the meaning of networks? So in the last mid-sem, first mid-sem, which one is the highest? I think Khushbu, 29 marks. Yes or no? So anyone scored 29? I think Khushbu Chauhan is a 29, maybe. Okay. So anyone can define what is the networks? What is the meaning of networks? Okay. So you don't know that the networks, that means the meaning of networks is the logical connection. That is called the logical arrangement, or we can say that the logical connection. भैया अगर कोई भी लॉजिकल होगा तभी वो नेटवर्क होगा. ओके. सो ऐसे नहीं होगा कि कोई भी रैंडम. दैट मीन्स नेटवर्क इज ए स्ट्रक्चर shape. So that's why I'm talking about the bus topology, then ring topology, then star topology, these types of things. And for suppose someone told you by neural networks में हम कौन सा type का network use करते हैं, so we can directly tell you that we can use on the base of mesh. Okay, mesh topology use करते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमारा ब्रेन जो भी अटैचमेंट होता है ऐसे अटैचमेंट होता है, सारा अटैचमेंट होता है, सारे नोड्स आपस में अटैच होते हैं. सो दीज आर द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ मेश. ओके, mesh topology. Okay, these are the things. So these are the all the things are correlated. So don't be confused. So suppose they will ask you what is the neural network, what is the benefit, how it will work. So we have to explain with all the example. So if you take the example, then it's very easy to define. If you not take example, that is very difficult to define. Okay, so better to make a habit when you're dealing with the paper of AI, when we're dealing with the paper of machine learning, when we are dealing with the paper of IoT, when we're dealing with the paper of deep learning. So take an example and then try to prove. So that is the best example. So we can say that this is a neural network A neural network is a system. A neural network is a system or hardware. Okay, a hardware that is designed that is designed that is designed to operate to operate to operate like a human brain, to operate like a human brain. So that is the definition. So what is the neural networks? I'm defining the neural networks. I'm not defining the neural. So neural, that means work like a human brain, but networks, that is a system to design to operate like a human brain. Okay, wait. इसे ऑन करना है क्या? So working, yeah, chalo. So these are the networks, and what is the example of the neural networks? We can say that. So a neural networks, which type of task it can perform, that is important. So sometimes they will ask you 1 marks. So it can be following task. I'm talking about the task. What type of task they can perform? So the first one, you can say that a translation translate text. Second task, it will perform identify face. So don't be confused. Identify face. Third one, it will be the recognize space. Speech. So these are the tasks of neural networks. And control robot. And the fifth one, reading handwriting test. Read handwriting text. Okay, these are the tasks performed by the neural networks. Okay, now we are talking about the working of neural networks. So these are the helpful for you. So next topic we can talking about working procedure. Working of neural network. Okay, so these are things. Now see how neural networks work. Suppose if you define the working procedure, first we understand the diagram. So diagram will be help you to understand this all the things, how this will be work. Okay. Now, so here what we have to do in a neural networks, a lot of input can feed into the one system, and there is a one hidden layer, and the output come with the single. हम लोग कैसे डीमक्स एंड मक्स में यूज करते हैं? डीमक्स में बहुत सारे इनपुट होता है, एक मक्स होता है. सेम प्रोसेस वी कैन अप्लाई. ओके, so now see, so what we have to write? So here we can use a hidden layer. One term we can use a hidden layer. So don't be confused all the things. So now see. So I am going to draw the diagram. So this diagram is self enough. So now already I told you, if you draw the diagram, after drawing the diagram, just describe that diagram. Okay, that is enough. So suppose this is the diagram. So this is the simplest way. So this is called, here I am going to define like this one. I am defining different type of circle. So this circle act as an activation function. So some function value. Okay, this circle having some activation value, a function. तो function का मतलब क्या हुआ कि it may be form of summation of something. It may be function of sigmoid function. It may be a function of linear function. कुछ भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि ये brain है ना. हमारा ब्रेन कैसे वर्क करता है? आप आपके ब्रेन के बारे में क्या सोचते हो? आप एक बार में बहुत सारा थॉट सोचते हो, लेकिन आउटपुट तो एक ही देते हो ना. आप बहुत सारा इनपुट ले. सपोज आप मेरी ही बात सुन रहे हो, अपने फादर की बात सुन रहे हो, आप यूट्यूब से भी किसी को फॉलो कर रहे हो, आप किसी बाहर वाले को भी फॉलो कर रहे हो, लेकिन आउटपुट तो आप एक ही दे रहे हो ना. सो दैट इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. द सेम प्रोसेस, ये आपका क्या हुआ, दिस आर द एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन. So these are the activation function. These blocks are activation function. So some type of mathematical calculation can be happened. Okay. Now here I can define, this is the input functions. Okay. So these are the input function. So now I am not defining, suppose ये मैंने दो define किया ये blocks को, इसका मतलब ये नहीं हो कि दो ही input function होगा, अनलिमिटेड इनपुट फंक्शन होगा. और ये जो इनपुट फंक्शंस होंगे वो एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन के साथ किसी भी मैनर में अटैच हो सकते हैं. दैट मींस वन टू मेनी और मेनी टू वन. ओके, हियर द मैपिंग इज वन टू मेनी और मेनी टू मेनी. ओके, वन टू मेनी. यहाँ पर जो इनपुट और एक्टिवेशन फंक्शंस का मैपिंग है वो वन टू मेनी का है. एंड हियर वी कैन गेट द आउटपुट ओनली वन. So here this is the mandatory, we can design a one function. Okay, that is the output. So I'm going to write this word. So this is called hidden layer, and this is called the output layer. So that's why I'm not made a PPT, because very difficult to design a PPT and then do all the things. Okay, so this is best way, and this is the input layer. Okay, now see, so these are the input layers, so it will be one to many, like this one we attach, maybe like this one, maybe like this one. Okay, so maybe like this one will be attached, maybe like this one will be attached, like this one. But these all are comes inside here output. Okay, so this is the best, we can say that this is the normal diagram for the working of neural network. Okay, so now here, what is the input layer? That means here you have to put a different type of algorithms. Here we have to put a different type of algorithm, the stream of algorithm in passing. हमने यहाँ पे string of algorithm. Okay, so this is the your final result. This is your final result. This is the algorithm that is called the input signal. So this is called the input signal. So भाई ये तो signal ही receive करेगा, brain है तो signal का ही बात करेंगे. And processing them, and sorry, not a processing, some here passes. Okay, so here pass them. Okay, pass them to the next layer. Okay, these are the pass them to the next layer, and this is the final. So these are the input in the form of signal. These are input in the form of, this is a hidden layer and this is the output. Okay, so these are the best example. And now these are the activation function. So suppose this having the name, suppose I am going to put the name having x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Okay, this is possible, and these are enter, and here we have to assign the weight. A weight of suppose W11, W12, W22, W33, W44, like 31. कैसे हम लोग एक ग्राफ में कैसे देखें, उसका एज होता है और उस एज का वेट होता है, सेम वही ऐसे भी होता है. और इस चीज को एक्टिवेशन फंक्शंस को हम लोग कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं? सो दीज आर एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन. हाउ कैन डिफाइन summation of I is equal to 1 to n. Suppose I am taking, and here I am writing W of I into X of I plus some bias value. B for bias value. मतलब कि हमें उस रिजल्ट तक पहुंचने के लिए कुछ तो ऐड करना होगा ना. सपोज हमारे पास हम एक रिजल्ट तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहे, लेकिन हमें क्या होता है कि हम एक कांस्टेंट ऐड कर देते हैं कि भैया ये कांस्टेंट सब में ऐड होगा. सपोज मेरे लिए, आपके लिए, सपोज हम सब इक्वल हैं, हमने सबने एक सिग्नल को परसेप्ट किया और हमने सबने आउटपुट जनरेट किया. सबका आउटपुट डिफरेंट होगा, लेकिन सपोज हमारा आउटपुट आना चाहिए था कितना, सपोज हमने 10 वोल्ट के लिए, लेकिन आप पूरे क्लास में इंक्लूडिंग मी हमने डिफॉल्ट कितना किया, 8 वोल्ट. ओके, हमने क्या लाया, सबका आउटपुट कितना आ रहा है, नियर बाई 8 वोल्ट. तो भाई हम क्या ऐड करें तो 10 वोल्ट पहुंच जाए. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द बायस. तो बायस कितना होगा, 2 वोल्ट ऐड कर देंगे सब में, नॉट फॉर मी. जैसे हम कैसे करते हैं कि भाई सब कोई पास नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ मार्क्स से फेल हो रहा है, तो हमने बोला कि ग्रेस मार्क्स सबको मिलेगा 5 नंबर, तो चाहे आपका 100 मार्क्स भी हो तो 5 मिलेगा, लेकिन आप 100 + 5 करोगे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इसके लिए आपके लिए एडिशन का कोई मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन बाकी के लिए तो मतलब है ना. सो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बायनेस. सो वी कैन यूज द एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन इज देयर दिस वन. So this is the activation function. So weight value multiply with the input signal plus some biases. Okay. So these are the okay. Now see. Okay. So now see how it will work. Now see देखो. So एक एग्जांपल के तौर पे हम लोग सकते हैं कैसे ये इमेज को रिकॉग्नाइज करता है. इमेज फेस को कैसे ये डिटेक्ट करता है न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स. सो दैट इज एग्जांपल. सो समझो. सो अगर इसे इमेज फेस को डिटेक्ट करना है तो हमने क्या रखेगा, ये तो रियल टाइम इमेज को करेगा. हमने इमेज को क्या किया कि मैक्सिमम हमने फिक्स कर दिया 28 पिक्सल, और मैंने फ्रेम साइज फिक्स किया है या 30 पिक्सल या 35 पिक्सल. आपने न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स में ये फिक्स कर दिया कि भैया 35 पिक्सल तक की हम फोटो को कैप्चर करेंगे, अगर उससे ज्यादा होगा तो हम लोग डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे. तो हम लोग यहाँ पर डिस्कार्ड नहीं करते. पहले हमने क्या किया, हमारा इनपुट सिग्नल ने उसे लिया, उस इनपुट सिग्नल के पास से जाने के बाद हिडन लेयर के पास गया, उस हिडन लेयर के बाद हमने पिक्सल में कन्वर्ट किया. पिक्सल में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद हमने देखा क्या ये इक्वल टू 35 पिक्सल है या लेस देन या मोर देन है. अगर वो मोर देन है तो वी कैन डिस्कार्ड, अगर लेस देन इक्वल टू है तो कंप्लीट. तो यहाँ पर डिस्कार्ड करने से पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं, नहीं उसको हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं क्या हम उसे 35 पिक्सल ला सकते हैं. अगर ला सकते हैं तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वी कैन गिव अ रिजल्ट. ओके. हम लोग कैसे अपना सपोज हमने गेस करते हैं, क्वेश्चन पेपर को गेस करते हैं कि भाई ये आएगा, तो दैट इज द पिक्सल. हमने रेंज को डिफाइन किया, रेंज को डिफाइन किया कि भाई इसके अंदर आपका क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, हो सकता है इसके अंदर आए भी और नहीं भी है. तो दैट इज द न्यूरल नेटवर्क. सो दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट वे हैव टू डिफिनेशन न्यूरल नेटवर्क. सो आई होप देयर इज नो डाउट रिगार्डिंग व्हाट इज द न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स, what is the working procedure, what is the hidden layer, what is the input layer, what is the work of activation function, how the activation function will work. So this type of questions they will ask you. So why important is neural networks, what is the important role of activation function. So this type of questions they will ask you. Okay, so be prepared for all the type of questions. These are very important topics. Okay, now so I'm talking about here. Now see, so I am talking about here activation function. So just I am writing the activation function name. So what is the activation function? So these are the very important activation function. Okay. So be prepared for your Viva भी also, because in the Viva they will ask you game theory. वो कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. External Viva, that means the some other faculty they will ask. So also so activation function. So they will ask you what is the use of activation function. भाई हम activation function का use क्यों करते हैं? तो ये सब भी क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं. ओके. सो बी प्रिपेयर ऑल द थिंग्स. द फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज, सी दिस थिंग्स आर ऑलरेडी नो ऑल sigmoid function. ओके. सो sigmoid function क्या होता है आपको ये पता होना चाहिए. तो ये होता है phi of x. So these are function is equal to 1/1 plus e to the power minus x. This is a sigmoid function. Okay, clear? So these are the sigmoid function. So this is the one activation function we can use. Then the second one is called threshold function. So threshold. So threshold function. So what will be the threshold? So we can define a phi of value in a different range. If x is greater than equal to 1, so value will be 1, and if x is less than 0, so value will be 0. Okay, this will be the way to happen. So now, and this x, now see देखो ये जो x है phi of x, जो भी इसकी वैल्यू होगी कहाँ पुट करेंगे भाई, इसमें पुट कर देंगे. ये फंक्शन जो है ना आपका ये चेंज कभी नहीं होगा, याद रखना भाई, ये फंक्शन आपका कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. यहाँ से x की वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना है और इसमें पुट करके आउटपुट निकालना है. ओके. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज कि भाई हम वी कैन फॉरगेट अबाउट द एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन वेट एंड x of phi and b. ओके. वी कैन फाइंड द एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन वैल्यू एंड कैन पुट द मेन फंक्शन वैल्यू. ओके. सो इस कहाँ से हमें यहाँ से x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ लाइक x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5 और यहाँ पे हमें पुट कर देना है. ओके, so these are the example. And rectified linear unit, so we can say that this is the third one, rectified, RELU. So that is called the rectified linear unit. Rectified linear units we can use, and we can use maximum and minimum value of phi of x. So these terms we can use, phi of x is equal to, we can write maximum of this one. So whatever the value of maximum, we can put like that one, maximum of all things. So here x, this is the capital X. Okay, so these are the things. For hyperbolic tangent function is there. Fourth one we can define hyperbolic tangent function. So we can write phi of x is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 2x divided by 1 plus e to the power 2x. So these are the sign formula. Okay, this phi of x is a sign formula, if you remember. So that's why I'm telling you, your mathematics should be very strong. Okay. So these are the neural networks, different type of neural networks, feedback, ANN, and then radius-based function neural networks, then recurrent neural network, convolutional neural network, modular. So there is no need. If you want to study, then you need. Okay. So these are the type of neural networks. Is it clear up to that much? Clear हुआ भाई? Tired. So among all the things, the very important topic is feature selection. Okay, it will take a one class complete feature selection. Then we can start probability density function. That means that we are talking about your 7th unit. So probability density function, I can go for the PPT. That is only formula. So we have to explain. I can send you the PPT and you can submit. Okay, so first I need to explain all the things. So among all the things, a feature selection is very important. Feature selection. फीचर सिलेक्शन. सो भाई ये फीचर होता क्या है, सिलेक्शन कैसे करते हैं, फीचर्स को डिड्यूस कैसे करते हैं और इनका इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है मशीन लर्निंग. ये जो फीचर सिलेक्शंस है ना, वी कैन अप्लाई बोथ एआई, वी कैन अप्लाई बोथ मशीन लर्निंग, वी कैन अप्लाई बोथ डीप लर्निंग और न्यूरल नेटवर्क से भी अप्लाई करते हैं. फीचर्स का मतलब क्या होता है, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इनपुट यू आर टेकिंग. तो दैट इज हम फीचर्स. जहां पे भी हम फीचर्स का बात करें, सो बहुत लोग कंफ्यूज होता है. आप आईआईटी मद्रास, अगर आपको वीडियोस देखने हैं एमएल के लिए, सो वी कैन गो फॉर द सुदेशना सरकार. आपका सबसे बेस्ट वीडियो होगा, आईआईटी खड़गपुर की फैकल्टी है सुदेशना सरकार. सो सी इज द बेस्ट फॉर द बेसिक लेवल, ओके, फॉर द मशीन लर्निंग. अगर आप उसके सारे वीडियोस देख लेते हैं, 30 मिनट्स के वीडियोस हैं, सो दैट इज क्लियर कॉन्सेप्ट अबाउट. ओके, तो और अगर आपको बुक फॉलो करना है तो टॉम एंड मिशेल्स जो भी आती है जो बुक, वही वो फॉलो करती है, वो ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करती है उसी का. तो फीचर सिलेक्शंस आपके बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं कि भाई हम इनपुट को कैसे प्रिसराइज करें. सपोज हमारे पास लार्ज डेटाबेस है, तो सपोज हमारे पास 1 लाख डेटाबेस का सेट है, तो 1 लाख इनपुट भी होगा. यस या नो. अगर मान लो कि हम सुपरवाइज लर्निंग कर रहे हैं, तो 1 लाख जब हमारा इनपुट होगा तो 1 लाख आउटपुट भी तो होगा. हम तो अनसुपरवाइज्ड का बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो इस टाइप में हम लोग कैसे फीचर को सिलेक्ट करेंगे, भाई किसको रखे किसको नहीं रखे. सो ये सब चीजें देखने करने वाले. सो दे विल आस्क यू व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ फीचर सिलेक्शन, व्हाई वी कैन यूज, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ फीचर सिलेक्शन इन लीनियर रिग्रेशन, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ फीचर सिलेक्शन इन न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स, लाइक दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दे कैन फ्रेम. एंड व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंट ऑफ फीचर सिलेक्शन, एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्राइटेरिया वी कैन फॉलो टू सेलेक्ट द फीचर सिलेक्शन. इसमें बहुत सारे तरीके हैं कि हमें कैसे फीचर्स को सिलेक्ट करना है. सो नाउ सी, देखो, अगर हम डेटाबेस पढ़ रहे होते हैं तो हम लोग रो और कॉलम का बात करते हैं. तो कॉलम ही यहाँ पर क्या है, फीचर्स है. एट्रीब्यूट ही यहाँ पर क्या है, फीचर्स है. लेबल का मतलब क्या होता है, इनपुट एंड आउटपुट गिवन हो, क्या फीचर्स गिवन हो. सो इन सब चीज़ों से कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, क्योंकि ये सब क्या है, कंफ्यूजिंग वर्ड्स है, कीवर्ड्स हैं, टर्मिनोलॉजीज हैं, जो आपको पता होना चाहिए. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? सो इन अ फीचर सिलेक्शन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट different type of features like selections method, what is the given correlation statics method, transformations, then numericals category, then wrapper, then filter, then we can discuss about RE, that is called RFE, that is called dismiss regressive feature elimination, regressive, yeah, regression feature elimination we can follow. Then we can follow wrapper, then we can follow filter. Okay, we can follow filter, these things. Then we can follow boolean, numerical data, feature selection, all the things we are going to do. Then we can follow dimension reduction, dimension reductions, this thing, these things we are going to discuss. Okay, feature important. So why this is, we can do a feature importance, so feature selection is very important, because we have to get a more performance, we have to get a more accuracy, we have to decrease the computational power. That's why we have to do a feature selection. So that is the important of feature selection we have to study. Up to that much we have to study in the feature selection. In the next class we are going to start, that means Tuesday. And आपके पास टाइम कब का है? सो आपका नेक्स्ट वीक ही लास्ट वीक है. सो हमें ट्राई करना है कि मैक्सिमम सिलेबस कवर हो जाए. और मैं क्या करूँगा, लैब में जैसे जैसे आपके बैच आएंगे ना, सो इन द लैब आई कैन डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रोलॉग. इन अ प्रोलॉग प्रोग्रामिंग व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन अ यूनिट 8. So what is the addition, subtractions, all the things we are able to handle all the things. Okay, so no not to worry about the prologues. Okay, all the things. So we can spend 1 hour for the feature selection Tuesday, then 1 hour for the probability density function, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we can go for the statistical different type of all the things. Okay, so now important, what is important, and then Friday class is very important for you. Then I can describe what type of questions they can predict and what type of questions maybe comes inside your mid-sem, those who are going to appear. So my advice is everyone try to appear, because I will try to give a more marks for this semester, this mid-sem. Okay, I will try to work on my side. Okay, but आपके पेपर में कुछ लिखा होना चाहिए. Okay, ये कंडीशन है, that is a mandatory condition.